Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce to you a two-seater mini electric car that is very stylish and highly practical. First, I will show you its appearance and interior details. Please follow my camera movement to watch. The interior design of the car is also very luxurious, with electric doors and windows, adjustable luxury seats, disc steering wheel, heating and cooling air conditioning, and a large LED display. It uses a large 4 kW motor and can drive easily on any road. The speed can reach 40 km/h, and the cruising range will be determined according to the battery capacity. Do you like these two mini electric cars? Please subscribe to my channel and I will bring you more surprises.